At LVLABs, we built a workflow that helps us manage thousands of tasks each week, and we are going to share with you everything that happens behind the scenes. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Here at LVLAB.IT, we specialize in Drupal web development. Today, we're sharing behind-the-scenes insights into how companies all around the world have already transformed their processes with the help of LVLABs. Whether you're a seasoned veteran or completely new to development, we're sure you'll love our insights. So hit the like and subscribe buttons to never miss any of our amazing content. LVLABs has been using this workflow for years now by developing Drupal solutions, but it can be surely adapted to every software development project. For those who don't know Drupal, it is an open source CMS solution adopted by thousands of developers, perfect for big companies that need international visibility, for governments, universities, and every ambitious website which wants performance and a growing audience from all over the world. Now, let me take a step backwards and let's focus on what happens before a task has been created. We can summarize essentially 3 different situations. Number 1, we just have an idea where a technical solution is needed. We love to work on new problems and find brilliant solutions that help us to grow up technically and serve you with our experts for creating the next cutting-edge technology. Number 2, you could have a prototype in Figma or Adobe XD. This is absolutely the situation where we are able to deliver the best and make you feel all of our potential. We use a pixel-perfect approach and you'll not be able to tell the difference between the Figma prototype and the website developed. And number 3, you have a Drupal website and need to develop some task. Easy and simple. You share your requirements and would like to receive an estimate and a deadline for allocating your budget and have the task completed. The beauty of our process is it is the same in all the situations I've described. We will take your idea, your Figma prototype or task, and we will analyze very deeply, providing you with a breakdown structure, very transparent and detailed, that allows you to decide how to proceed with development, where to focus your budget, and have a 360-degree overview of your project. We encourage our clients, usually web agencies and startups, to involve us from the very beginning and share with us any doubts, questions, or ideas that they have in mind, because only in this way will we be able to provide you with the best technical solution for your needs. Please let me go ahead and let me explain how every task can become successful thanks to our help. It is known that every developer is always in the storm trying to satisfy every client. At LVLAB, we believe that it is very important to provide tasks that have a few important details. A technical description. I'm not talking about a description necessarily readable for you. We write descriptions that are made for developers with details and suggestions that only true experts can add. And this allows our developers to be fast, concise, and develop the task with the best quality and the minimum effort. When front-end work is needed, we always ask for a Figma or Adobe XD that will help us clarify without any doubt what the end result is needed. For complex tasks, we are used to providing the developer with a short video explaining the task. This work has awesome advantages. You will be able to control your budget and to involve the right developer with the right skills for every task. And the most important thing is that developers will love your project. When we have all tasks and projects analyzed, we are ready to put all this information on a board that is shared with developers from all over the world. We calculate the budget and a rough deadline so that all you have to do is just sit back and wait for the task to be delivered. Everything seems so very awesome, and it is, but we all know that in software development, there is always the situation where the task has some side effect that has not been calculated. In this case, we encourage our developers to make a lot of noise and help us understand what is wrong in the analysis or estimation before starting the development. It means we will have some margin to discuss easier and better solutions to solve the problem and maybe maintain the budget calculated before. If, for any reason, this cannot happen, we will ask to deliver the task respecting the initial requirements, and a new task revision will be created for further development. There is something that makes our development service really loved by companies from all over the world. Every task delivered Every piece of code delivered needs to pass a quality assurance test that essentially can be summarized in 2 steps. A coding best practices check. Our engineer verifies that the code respects guidelines and best practices shared by thousands of companies and developers from all over the world. And a requirements check. This step is done in collaboration with the client, and we just verify that everything works from a user point of view. Every task has a guarantee. It means every activity needed to fix a bug created during development or anything that doesn't respect the requirements will not be considered as delivered and will be reworked by our engineers. If that happens, we will analyze what is the root cause, and you will know exactly if the malfunction is recognized as a bug or if we need to make a new task for proceeding with development. When the task is done, we will publish everything on a development environment before publishing everything on the web. And you will be able to send us feedback by checking the work done. Now it's your turn. Just share with us your ideas and projects. All the details are in the description below.